In this video, you'll learn how to create forms in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully set up a form that can be used for various purposes, from surveys to data collection. Start by opening Notion and navigating to a new page. You can do this by selecting the New Page option from the sidebar. Once you click on it, a blank page will appear ready for you to input your content. Next, you will need to give your page a name. Type in the desired name for your page in the designated area at the top. This name will help you identify the form later, so choose something descriptive. After naming your page, click on a blank space within the page. This action allows you to enter commands that will help set up the form. The interface will be ready for your next input. Type in the command /forms and wait for the options to appear. This command prompts Notion to generate a list of available form options. It is a quick way to access the database feature needed for your form. Once the options are displayed, click on Database to create a new database for your form. This database will serve as the backend for your form submissions, storing all data collected through the form. You will now need to name your database, enter a suitable title that reflects the purpose of the form. This title assists in organizing your databases within Notion. Next, type in the name of your form. This is the title that users will see when they access the forms. Ensure it is clear and reflects the form's content for better user understanding. Click on the Change button to modify the form settings. This option allows you to adjust various settings related to your form's accessibility and submission parameters. Proceed by clicking on Access to Submission and select No Access. This step is crucial if you want to restrict who can submit responses to your form initially. Now, click on Full Access to enable full submission access. This action allows users to submit their responses without restrictions, which is essential for collecting data. After setting access, click on Copy Form Link to generate a shareable link for your form. This link can be distributed to anyone you wish to invite to fill out the form. To add questions to your form, click on the plus icon. This will open up an interface where you can start creating the questions that will be presented to users. Select Edit Question to modify the first question. This option allows you to customize the text and parameters of the question to fit your needs. Next, click on Question Type to choose the format of your question. You will have various options such as text, multiple choice, or drop downs, depending on the type of response you seek. You can choose the kind of form question you want. For instance, click on Text if you want to allow users to enter free-form responses. To add another question, click on Question 2 and then select Edit Question. This allows you to create a second question that users can respond to in your form. Now click on Show Options as List View to determine how the question appears visually in the form. This option ensures clarity for users when they answer questions. Click on Drop Down to create a drop-down question type. This format is beneficial for questions with predefined options that users can select from. Select question type, again, to change the format if needed. This flexibility allows you to adapt the question type to better suit the information you are gathering. Next, click on Date if you want users to provide a date in their response. This option is useful for collecting specific dates related to the form's topic. To add another question, click on Add Question. This allows you to continue building your form by including more relevant questions. Now, click on Person to create a question that requires users to input their name or identify themselves. This can help in gathering specific participant information. Click on Email to create a question for users to provide their email addresses. This is essential if you need to follow up with respondents. Next, click on Highlight to emphasize particular questions or sections within your form. This feature can help draw attention to important areas. To add another question, click on Add Again. This ensures that your form has all the necessary questions to gather comprehensive data. To create a multiple choice question, click on Multiple Choice. This option allows respondents to select from several predefined answers. Click on Multiple Choice again to add another question of the same type. This repetition helps in collecting varied responses for different inquiries. Finally, click on Add Option to provide choices for your multiple choice questions. You can type in sample responses like Sample 1 and Sample 2. To illustrate the options available for users. You have successfully created a form in Notion. Make sure to review your form to ensure all questions are clear and that it meets your requirements before sharing it